My name is Badam Krishna Rao. I stay in Hyderabad, Gandhinagar. I am in the business of providing for the temporary air conditioning German sections for events and exhibitions and other things. I am one of the core committee member into the Vaishya Limelight Awards. And this has been happening for the almost one of its kind in the world, in the Vaishya community for the awards, what has been happening. E event, whatever the event we have been taken up, there are the many challenges has come in the process of last 2 years. In spite of that, there are the many friends and well-wishers are there with us who has been supported us and totally to complete this event. And the entire process has been taken with a systematic way for the entire thing, and there is no lapsation which you can find for everybody. And individually, there are the many people has been nominated. There is a corporate companies has been nominated. Somebody, organizations has been nominated. Individuals has been proposed for this entire thing. And the process has been taken very meticulously by the senior most officials in our community. I once again thank for the jury who has been taken so much of pain to complete this event and submit it to the entire 24 awards. I once again thank you for each and everyone. Thank you once again. Jai Vasavi.